So friends, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this class, we are going to learn about the some very important features, updated features of the Elementor Pro, right? So in uh, my class as well, I have already explained you. I already explained you that our Elementor is came up with some of the updates. Elementor Pro is come up with one of the updates. One is container. Previously, inner session update is there. Inner section is the previous version, but at the end of the 2023 year, a new update has been came in the Elementor. Okay, a new update has been came in the Elementor. So that is called as the container. So while I'm started to create a website also in the web designing classes also I explained you the details of the inner session. So previously all the elements are created by using the Elementor Pro. Under the Elementor Pro we have a session called that container. No, inner session uh, you know mm, element is there. We have used that one previously. All the websites which are working on the Elementor WordPress are created. So a new feature is came that is called as the inner session or the container. So so what is container? So if you ask me personally, what is container and whether it is useful, what can I say? Is it benefited? It is useful to use the container or inner session. Which one is the better? Is it worthy to use the container element? I personally suggest you go for the previous version of the inner session only. Okay. So whenever you install any updated Elementor Pro on your WordPress dashboard, what happens is you may see the what is that one? The container Elementor only, container option only, right? So, but if we want to use the inner session element, then what is the option we have? Okay, let us see now. So friends, so for example, see it is our WordPress dashboard, right? And let us go to create any pages. I will show you how the website is looking there. For example, I am going to open my pages, all pages, go to the pages. There you will find all the pages. Select any one page, start editing with the Elementor. Then you may find the options of the Elementor Pro. Okay. For example, what is the website? We are creating an organic store, right? So under this organic store, go to the home page. Okay. So edit with Elementor. Select this page, edit with Elementor. So then let me wait for a while so that the page gets opened. Yeah, the page is now loading. So basically, Elementor is having so many options. That's why in order to load all of those features, it will take a little bit time. Okay. As much as your system is very fast, this loading speed will be reduced. Now, under Elementor also AI version has been came. It is showing up here. So you can close this version AI. Okay, you close this one. Okay, now now opening. It is opening now. See here how much time it is taking. Actually, this is what local WP. So that's why it is also taking some more time. So, but when we use any professional email website, it won't take that much time. So see here, friends, this is the header section. These are the sections here. See here, this is what layout container. So that is not. This is a new 2024 updated version, right? 2024 updated version. This one, right? So in this one, you will be having mm, some problems. You will be having. So that means new. It is having some new features, right? For example, if I would like to add any new version, so if you take, you can make it as a container one. So one new container has been added here, right? It is automatically having the inner session, right? So how to use this one? And if I select the go to the container see here. If I add any new session over here, add a new session. So if you select here, see downward, rightward, two columns. All these are the features of the container, right? So you maybe get confused what all of these things are there. Actually, what is these things? What is the these direction indicates? Okay, what does this direction indicates, etc. You may be some little bit get confused. So in the next class, I will tell you the details of this one. Okay, as of now, if you are facing this kind of issue and if you would like to move to use with the the uh, older version of the inner session only, then how to make that inner session visible, how to rather than this container, how to make the layout. Under the layout, we will be having the inner session. How to get that one? You just simply go to the yes, leave it. We hadn't changed anything. We hadn't added anything. We have not saved anything. So it is. You can go to the Elementor version. Go to Elementor. Under the Elementor, you have to go to the settings. Okay. Under these settings, you will be having an option called the what? Yeah, features, advanced features. Features, advanced. General settings is one. Integrations, advanced and features. So go to the features. Here you will be having one uh, option called FlexiBox container. Flex, FlexBox container. So presently it is active. So in order to make inactive, we have to select this one inactive. Okay. Now, if you select this one inactive, automatically that container feature will get disabled. Okay. Now it is now deactivated. Now let us see. Just go to the dashboard once again. Go to the pages and go once again. Go to the WooCommerce pages. Pages, all pages. Go to the home. Create with Elementor. Previously, I was also eagerly ready to explain you about this one. We also get confused about this one. That because of this new feature, we are unable to find the inner session as well. So have you seen now here? This is the inner session. So basically, previously when we have the new one container option is available, that is available under the catalog or the what? Under the section of add-ons or the layout. Under the layout section, this container option is there. Now that layout is option is disabled right now, right? And here you will be having the inner session. Okay. So for example, if you select here, have you seen here the arrow marks have been now disabled. So this is the previous version of the in the Elementor Pro. So I suggest you simply, so as a designer, why I'm explaining you all of this is as a designer, pro designer, we should have to be familiar with all the features of the Elementor Pro. Okay, that's why I just came up here. Okay, so generally actually it is a not a pro version. Even though it is not a pro version, but still it is what it is showing that the what some versions. These are some basic widgets. Okay, so inner session is available over here. I don't know whether I have I will see. I will check here whether I have installed the Elementor Pro or not in this one. Let us see here. I hope I hadn't installed the inner session. The what Elementor Pro here. Elementor, go to the plugins. Under the plugins, you will be having the option to see the installed plugin Elementor Pro. Now let us see here once Elementor is there, right? And next one Elementor Pro, not Elementor Pro is not there. So anyhow, that is the option there, friends. Okay. So once again, I'm going to explain you the go to the again settings, Elementor. Now select the features. Go to the flex box container. You make it now active. Okay. Activate now. And save changes. So these are the settings of the Elementor. Okay, Elementor. I hope you understand, friends. Now, whenever we install any new plugin, I mean new theme, the new theme is also coming with the latest version of the new theme because we are in 2024. So the theme also will take the whatever the element needed. Theme means what? The required. If you select the e-commerce website, it will take the complete required themes, elements required for the what plugins required for the theme. It will automatically take it. So like that, it has taken that. So now it is now active mode. Okay. So thank you so much. We will discuss the details regarding the things in the next class.